Two distinct things is one, you actually have to train the brain because the brain is biased to seek certainty. It wants to be right. It's survival value that's been built into our system for 6 million years. And ultimately what you have to do is you have to retrain the brain so that it's more probability based, so that you're no longer you're actually managing uncertainty. You have a mindset that manages uncertainty to be able to build probability rather than to look for certainty. Completely different animals.
But people hate to be wrong. So how do we retrain our brains to look for probability?
Well, people have to change the way their minds work if they're going to become a competent trader. Is that, our brain grows up with this bias. It grows up in families, it grows up in cultures, and we're even graded in school about taking losses. We want to make the best grade. We don't want to have any losses. And we get trained like that, and we take that mind into trading, and it blows us up because you are no longer working with certainty. You are working with probability at that time. Two